India. In fact, this is a CNN News 18 mega exclusive inputs shared by News 18's Mr. Manoj Gupta. In fact, breaking inputs suggesting that Imran Khan's party has now invited Indian External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar to join the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf protests in Pakistan. PTI seeking Indian help to end protests and anarchy in Pakistan. Pakistan's KP Provincial Information Advisor Barrister Saif has invited India to join Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf's protests to strengthen Pakistan's state. Remember, the PTI has been on a back foot ever since Imran Khan was ousted out of power. On that note, let's quickly go back to Siddhant, who continues to stay with us. Siddhant, now the big question arises is, will the External Affairs Minister be entertaining such a proposal?
Well, it's more like a political statement, and in fact, this is coming from PTI's senior leadership. But it should be seen as a political statement, perhaps, because Imran Khan's party seriously needs support, because army is against them, ISI is against them, government is against them, and most important, United States is against them. And, you know, in these times when they are looking for a revival, when their leader is behind the bars, when their other senior leadership is behind the bars, and, you know, Pakistan is going through very tough times in terms of economy. They are surviving on IMF relief money. You know, they don't have any future roadmap. In these times, you know, there's also a lot of anti-incumbency against the army, military, and you know, the government in Pakistan. So, you know, Imran Khan's party is also looking at an opportunity to create a momentum in Pakistan, perhaps to create some sort of a revolution in Pakistan, so that they can come back to power, and, you know, and Imran Khan could get free. And for that, they are looking for a support from various stakeholders in the region. And India, since India is a very powerful country in the region, and, you know, a very important stakeholder in the region, perhaps this could be the reason that this statement has been made, that since Mr. Jaishankar is in Islamabad, so he could, if he could come and you know, support Imran Khan. But that let's take it as a very political statement coming from
and certainly political, because as if one were to focus on India's current stance, if New Delhi has ruled out any possibility of a bilateral with Islamabad, it seems like a far cry that India will be entertaining such a proposal. But interesting that the very same Imran Khan who had in fact attacked India and its own position on terrorism at the UN in the past years, his own party is now seeking New Delhi's help and aid.
Well, Akanksha, yes, you are absolutely right. It was Imran Khan where, you know, the tension escalated between the two countries. And that was in India's interest. This time around also, India will do what is best in India's interest. And as we have been discussing, it's just a political statement. As a foreign minister, you know, Mr. Jaishankar understands not just Pakistan, you know, any dignitary, any minister from India, you know, will never attend any political rally or will join any revolution, you know, revolutionary forces in any of the countries. That has never been India's foreign policy. That's never been India's foreign policy. So, you know, that is there. But one thing is also very important to understand, that Imran Khan is looking for India's help right now because he has been cornered by other players in his country, whether it's ISI, military, or whether it's United States. So, you know, India is in a position to help Imran Khan. Imran Khan also understands the rising clout of India, the significance of India in the region, and also, you know, India is an important player. So, you know, any kind of, it's not the direct, any kind of a minimum signaling also, perhaps, from the Indians would help PTI, and they understand it very, very well. And that
absolutely, and very interesting that such signaling is actually happening just days ahead to that SEO summit, one which will be very interesting to watch out for. Many thanks to you, Siddhant, for bringing in all those inputs. And with that, it's time to slip into a quick break. Stay tuned to our coverage because our top focus also happens to be the Haryana Assembly elections.